Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, is your boy Getson. um, I just want to show you guys something that is really amazing. So what I'm gonna show you guys today, uh, I think I'm just gonna show you two of the entries. Okay, there was one I took from here. This one you guys we are going to understand is so easy. And I took another entry here. I'm gonna explain more special this one because it was more important. Then I'm gonna show you again this one, why I was focusing on this trade. Then I don't know what happened to my broker. I end up getting kicked by this move, so I was not checking at my trade. Also from there, yesterday I did not trade. I think, yeah, before yesterday I did not trade, and today also I didn't trade, but I was focusing more on V75. So without taking more of your time, is I just want to show you how I took. Let me first show you guys the entry. So my two entries there here, one was there on top. As I told you guys, I took the one on top and the one below. So this one below, just pay more attention because it's so, I'm not sure if I'll go more in details, but I'll try to touch here and there what happened. And I'm also even thinking like recording some of the video. I'll put them on the private link, so I'll see what is going to be the condition of if you want to be part of the private link where I'll have those video. The only people they're gonna have maybe access is the one that they are going to support the channel. Those are the one are gonna have access to it. So yeah, this is the entry. As you can check this level, can you see this line here? This is where I was expecting the market to start buying. Then I end up not taking the trade from there, so I was waiting for market to give me a confirmation. As my bro Zero Bikes Moses always tell me, my man, look for a confirmation. I always like to take a risk entry. When market just get here, I want to take a risk entry, but I've got an advanced approach on how I took this entry. So sorry guys if you hear the voice, there is babies crying. So I've got a best approach, what they say is advanced market structure. And I believe this is US 30. Yeah, so this was the entry and the TP. Then the TP, you know what I did guys? I forgot to take an entry from my TP because I saw a QML. Hey, by the way, let me tell you guys what I'm focusing more. Oh sorry guys, my mark just fall down. Okay, let me tell you guys what I'm focusing more when it comes to trading. So like this time, there is stuff that I'm looking in the market when I come to the market. So I don't know if you guys are going to write or I have to write it. Okay, let me just type it for you guys so that we can be on the same line. The first things that I focus more, it's about the range. That is what I focus more. Then after that, I see what is this SSR, significant support and resistance. Then I look at QMTR. QMTR is the same as QML manipulation. Then I look also at the QML because that is one of my entry. And when it comes to, let's say, the liquidity area and other stuff, I look at the fake outs. Then I check also 3D. And then there is a CPLQ, that is what, like a compression. And I also check this other type of manipulation where maybe market sometimes is come next to the liquidity, then market just manipulate the zone. I hope you guys are hearing me. Then market manipulate the zone, then from the zone market just fail to touch a decision point. Then I wait for the next movement to come and take the level. So I have a lot to explain, but like as I told you guys, I'm thinking a way of doing it. And I'll keep on making also video when I take the entry because I'm trying to come back full time. That was I'm trying, but because I've got some of the other business I'm doing, it also require my time. Then from there is a type of engulfing. This one is it's about more advanced. Then yeah, so also, you know, Asian range as the guide to the liquidity. That is the most important things that I follow. So I just refine all this stuff to get where it is. I also use one strategy of Michael. If you check the video number 2 and 3 for his mentorship of 2022, because I use that one only when I want to trade Nasdaq. That was I look at that manipulation of 8:30. So I check what happened, then I see if market is gonna create, you know, that manipulation. But I don't trade more specific like him, but I do trade another stuff. So let me explain to you guys. It's the same like this one. It's also part of this. Let's say you have a significant area. This is your significant area where you're expecting market, but at the end of the day, market just get here and create something like this, maybe previous day or a strong eye. When market create this one, then the only thing that I'm gonna look at is gonna be what happened at this area before. Why did this area fail to touch this zone? It's the same logic. It's the same logic as supply and demand. It's just that people, they call it different names and other stuff. So let me first check what do you call, let me check the timing now. Okay, we're still good, 6 minutes. So I'm sorry if the video is gonna be long. Then another thing that I'm going to look is how market is gonna create here. Let's say market, when it was going to the upside, then market did something like this, then it break this area. So the only thing that I'm gonna check is gonna be like this one. That's what I'm gonna check. So it's gonna be this, the candlestick that manipulate this area. Then the next one, let's say it's open here and touch this zone here. So we create something like this. If you watch the strategy of Michael, what Michael said on his strategy is gonna be, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna tell you guys what Michael said. So just bear with me. Then this one, I'm gonna change the color. Let's say I put this one because it's going up, and another one I'm gonna change again. So the only thing that I'm going to look is gonna be, let's say if this candle is, because most of the time what we do, we wait for market to come and touch this zone. If market touch this zone here, if market touch this zone, you see market touch this zone, and we look for it to do like something like this, going to the upside. But if it failed, then there is another candlestick that open like this and break it all this area. So the only thing that I'm gonna do, I know what the guy said is gonna be, let's say market break here. When market break here, the only thing that I'm gonna wait, it's either for this candlestick, when it's open, it has to open and trade up until this area, or it open, even the body can just close here, but the wick must touch this zone. You guys see? So this is also something that I'm looking at. You can see it's more important, because this is what, if you watch my video about the basic, no, you're going to understand that this area, it shows another strong zone that touch this area, then market's supposed to come and from here start buying. But if market break it, then we're gonna expect a continuation of a sell before market break a significant low. Remember, this one, it's the one that creates all the movement. So if markets come again, break this one here, market come and break this one, then we're gonna look for a strong decision point around this area so that we can continue selling. So this is what I look at. This is just something that I was trying to refer to the video of Michael, video number 3 and 2, where I explain about something like this. So according to him, market has to break a significant low or any 3 candlestick formation, then you look for fair value gap, then you take your entry from there. So this is quite different, and this is what helped me take this entry. So let me go guys to H4, then I show you why and how I took this entry, how I was able to take the entry. So I think it was on daily. Let me check properly. Where is it? Where is it? Yes. So this was the area that I was monitoring. You see, this was the area I was monitoring, and when I look at this area, what I say to myself was, okay, since there is this zone here, must I buy straight from this zone? Can you see? Must I buy straight from this zone? If I'm not mistaken, I believe I took an entry here, then market come and take me out. So then from there, I end up understanding like, let me just wait for market to give me a significant level for me to take an entry. Because remember, this is a daily zone. We can take here and check what happened. Market open with the Asian range. At the end of the day, they just come back, check out the load. If you remember from just the explanation I just from giving you what I was drawing, this is the same scenario. We run liquidity, but we need to look for a significant area. Where do we take entry? And remember this area here, this is where the movement of taking this all this low started. So this area become a strong zone where we are going to monitor and try to look, because we got two levels. You see even this one, market break this area. So we got these two zones. We're not just gonna mark a zone. We just have to look which one is more significant, and we see how market is going to react. But how was I able to take the entry from here? Let me go to M15. So don't worry guys, I'm going to explain again this one, what happened to this one. Network, don't disappoint me. So this is what I did guys. So what I end up understanding was, okay, so this zone, my line, you see where my line is. I don't know what happened, how it ended up moving. So let me just do it like this. Okay, then what I was checking that time, I knew market wanna buy because market get to a significant zone, but do we risk and taking the entry from whole this area, or do we wait for market to show us a better position of saying I wanna go to the upside? You see, so this one, it's the same scenario as you can check here, but it did not break any significant zone. So this is what I end up saying, okay, let me just wait and see what is going to happen. But if you check from whole this low, market break this zone. If we go to line chart, you're gonna see what I'm trying to talk. You see, it's a strong low. Market break this strong low. Then when market break this strong low, the only thing that I'm trying, because I'm looking for a buy position, I need to look of what I wrote there, what is happening. Then I end up seeing like, okay, can you see this area? This area is gonna be a strong level, maybe where I have to sell. But my main focus was not by me looking for a sell position, but was me looking what you call for a buy position. That is what I was busy looking. Then if you can check here, this is the area that I end up focusing. So I took an entry from here, and with my stop loss was just 15 pips, because I know most of the people, they are trading with 30 pips. They'll put maybe somewhere here, but me, I put only 15 pips. That is what I trade. I believe if I take an entry, market has to respect my 15 pips. So I use this zone that to be as my entry, the iron base, then so that market can go to the upside. Do you guys remember about this area? I told you guys this zone was more significant because this is where we had the original movement to come and take out this low. So if you can check, when we have this zone, what do you expect? We're expecting market to hold at this area. This is what people, they call rejection, and other people, they call it resistance. So it's just different names as long as you believe in what we believe. So I saw market come again back here, touch the same zone. Then this candlestick drop. When it was dropping, I did not take the sell position. I only took the buy because I was believing market is gonna buy. Then I supposed even to take this one because this zone became a swipe zone. I don't know if I wrote the swipe zone here on my list. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. So this is a swipe zone. This is a swipe zone. So I also focus more on the swipe zone because all this is part of the video that I'm going to record. So believe me guys, I'm gonna record all this video and put it somewhere where only few people gonna have access when they they follow my instruction, then they're gonna access that one. I'm sorry guys for the videos is long, and remember to please to subscribe, because there is an amazing stuff that I'm showing right now. If you pay more attention, believe me, you're not gonna fail. You make sure you're taking good trade. So when I took this entry, then what I did, I just set up my TP to this area. I'm going to explain why that one is my TP. Then this one could be another perfect entry. Someone could come and take, because it's a swap zone. How do I call a swap zone? A swap zone, it's something like this. You have a strong eye, market come to the downside, market react to this area, then market drop again, then markets go to the upside. So this zone here, it become a significant zone for you. The only thing that you have to look is what happened when market was breaking this area. That is going to be more important. If we go to the low time frame, you're going to see something amazing there. Then you take it from here, you go to the upside when that condition is there. That is what I'm going to explain on those videos, when that condition is there. So then we took, you see what happened here. Let me just go to line chart. Why I took that one as my TP? Because it was a QML plus MPL. So I've already explained to you guys about this QML stuff on inside. I'm gonna do it again. So market create this area, then market come to the downside, create something here, then market drop. What do you expect? This zone here, it become your, let me delete this one. So it's become your strong area where market has to come and start selling, like a continuation movement. Then the only thing you need to wait is gonna be a PA. A PA is the one that I explained to you guys on the beginning of the video, the fake out. You see there is a fake out 3D CPLQ. Those are the three, those are the PA that I look. So it's gonna be something like this. Maybe market just get here, create a level of liquidity, then market run this area, then we come to the downside. Do you see? Sometimes market is gonna return here, then get. So it's something that is amazing, but as long as you know what you are going to look in the market, then you are not gonna fail. If you check properly, this is the scenario. Market created this area, then market run the area to go to the QML area. So if we go to line chart, you're gonna see support 1, support 2, then market goes up to the upside, market drop. And when market create the area, the only thing that you need to look at, where is the original movement? And the question we need to ask ourselves is gonna be, why market did not hold at this area when it was coming to the downside? Do you see the question? That is the most important question that you need to ask yourself. Then market just return to this area, because you can check here, we've got support, support. When a support break, it become a resistance. So many people, they teach these things on the line. If you want, you can go to EFX. But what is this? This is what we call a liquidity. Because if you fail to take the entry from here because you're not sure if market is gonna hold, then market give you something. I know so many people who say, why market did not come to the upside as you explained in the video? Bro, listen to me and pay more attention. Liquidity is the most important things. This is why you need to understand the range and what is happening. Liquidity is the most important things. If I may ask you, is there any liquidity near here? There is no liquidity. This is why you see market just manipulate this area, another fake out that some people they call relative highs, whatever. Market manipulate it, touch this area, drop to the downside. When they break this significant move, because the original movement started from here, then we go to the upside and markets come and break this area. So when markets break this area again, what do you expect? We're expecting a pullback. Then what is this? This is what I'm gonna come up with, the range stuff. So you know already. Here I'm trying to explain to you guys how you could also take another entry. If you fail to take this one, you wait for a confirmation. You know this is a strong eye because it manipulates all this area. It took liquidity and it breaks structure. So when we took liquidity and break structure, we expect market to pull back. When market pull back, then you find a decision point, then you get an entry. Do you guys see what is happening? So simple and straightforward. So there is a lot of advanced entry, how you could just understand what was happening here, and you could be able to catch this movement. The same scenario again here, manipulate and take the entry. So that is what was happening. And because market respect this area, where is your level that you're gonna target? You target this low because it's a weak low. Market fell. This is the range stuff, guys. It's simple stuff. I've been explaining these things here in my channel like every single day. Then let me go again back to daily time frame so that I can explain about this entry. The entry, what we did from here was so simple and amazing. You're gonna see the power of QML, guys. I don't know what is happening. Okay, thank you. It's open now. So if you can check here, this is the first level and this is the second level. This is what I call swipe zone. You see, swipe zone. This is the last one. What is this? Market break it. It was a resistance. Market break it. Market return to come and trade. There is nothing complicated. You just wait for market to show you something that is amazing and you take an entry. I know there is a lot of people that they're trading SNR. They will take an entry straight from here. They're saying this is their entry because this is the resistance. Market come here and take an entry. But let me show you guys something that is amazing. How you're going to be able to take an entry with a proper confirmation. Can you see? This is what I was telling you. If someone take an entry, so you're just gonna wait for all this. You see, all this manipulation. Market just go to the upside, come here and kick his ass out. Then market continue again. I'm sorry, guys. What I'm sweet. Okay, so guys, what happened is we have a daily level here. Then this is the daily level. What I did I took an entry here. Market went to the upside. I hold it. Next minute it's coming here. That was my mistake. Then market come and take me out. Since I have this other job that is giving me too much stress, I'm not focusing on my trading. You can see family what was happening here. What is the last decision point that break all this low? You see, this low was very significant area. Market touch, then market break. Where is the level that break all this zone? Is this one. This is the last push to the downside that we expected market to come and start doing what? Start selling from here. Market supposed to do something like this. Come here because the significant area that took out all this liquidity. Then we're supposed to continue selling, but market did not sell. Do you guys see that? Market did not sell. Market goes to the upside. But what else do you see inside this zone? I see two areas. I see again a QML. Can you guys see? I see again another QML. So I've got a low, I've got a high, I've got a lower low. Then market goes to the upside. You see, hold this. So there is people, what they're gonna do, they'll take entry like everywhere. So let me calculate how many pips is from here until this is like 50 pips. It depends on the account, the size of the account. But I know people, there is people that they will take from here. There is people that will take an entry here. It depends on how you understand the market. But if you know what you're doing, you can place your entry here. You can place your entry at the QML and you can place an entry here. But depend on the confidence that you have. So then market get here, you see the QML level. We can even say what most of people they said. Took out liquidity. This is a level. If you guys understand the strategy of Michael, is gonna tell you this is a fair value gap, whatever. Inefficient price, then market come and fill it, then it goes to the upside. But if you need precision, you understand why there is this inefficient price and you will find out where is the manipulation inside here so that you can take your entry. Imagine if you take an entry here, here and here, then you target the eye. Where do you target? You target all this Asian range. Then you leave the market goes up until the area where you think is going to be a significant level. Not because you have this zone, you're going to try to see how market is going to be there. The only thing that you need to do is the one that is more important is to see how market is approaching this level. Can you see what happened here? Markets come here because, you know, this is going to be part of the advanced stuff that I'm going to do. I'm gonna do later on. You see, then markets break. The last I explained to you guys on the beginning, market break. What do you expect? We have a liquidity. Everything is in place for you to take a sell position. But market come and break the area and goes to the upside. What do? You wait for market to come back to the same zone, because this line still is significant zone. Don't remove it, wait for it and market to come back to that area. Then market is going to show you something amazing. And market just come, because there is people that they in Asia. This is going to be a perfect entry for them. You just get an entry, then you target the eye. So market goes to the upside. This is about today. I did not even look at the market, and you see what was happening. So guys, I hope you catch something that is amazing on this video, and remember to subscribe and show your support, guys. Show your support, because something amazing is coming and it's gonna be very soon. Let me check the time. Oh guys, I'm sorry, it's 25 minutes. So sharp, guys. Please share this video with a lot of people, because more people, they need information. I know so many people are suffering, moving from this course to this course. People are bringing just new names just to take money out of you. I believe I'm gonna share so many stuff in my YouTube channel, like as I always do. It's just that I don't have more time to record, but I'm gonna make sure I provide something amazing for you. So sharp, guys. Like, comment and share the video so that this video can reach more people. I love you guys. Sharp. Enjoy.